Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with a cracked back cover and of course a cracked display. So we're going to restore this to its former glory. Let's go! So before we proceed, we're gonna remove the back cover of this Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're not gonna reuse this back cover. And as you can see, it's very easily removed, and that means that this device has been repaired before, so the adhesives are not that sticky from the factory, but that's okay. We're gonna do the same thing, and we're gonna refurbish this refurbished smartphone. So far so good. The components are intact and complete. I'm gonna remove this shroud with a wireless charging pad, and of course the lower part of this shroud that covers the bottom part of this board. I'll put them to the side, detach the battery, and unscrew the main board. It's in like an inverted C formation, like a C clamp. So we're going to be careful to remove it in one piece like that. And we're going to remove the battery off of the old display, put it to the side right here, and this is our replacement display. So it's really quick. We're almost on the halfway part of the repair. We're just going to transplant the main board, and once this is done, it's going to be an easy position and reinstallation of the smaller parts around this board. Just going to still be very careful. So this Galaxy S10 Plus is a testament that your smartphone can be repaired again and again, just as long as the components are still in good shape. Of course, the battery can still be replaced, but once the main board is broken, you will have to deal with complex soldering processes. This one doesn't need it, so we're just gonna be doing the simple stuff. Relatively simple, because David is just making it really easy to look at. But this is gonna be a challenge if you don't have the tools like he has in the shop, and of course the experience of fixing a lot of Samsung devices and of course Apple devices through the years. So if you don't want the hassle of doing more damage to your device, then maybe you should just visit your local repair service technician and let them handle the job for you. If you want a trusted name in fixing Galaxy smartphones, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center, and David is gonna hook you up with the parts that you need. Of course, quality parts that will make your smartphones like this Galaxy S10 Plus brand new. So we're gonna also replace the back cover. As you can see here, brand new with all the covers. Gonna remove the tape over the adhesive and install it at the back of the device. Smartphone is doing okay. It's gonna be booting up anytime now. It tends to be slow because it seems like it's using a custom theme, so it's not really a problem at this point. We're gonna test the cameras, the buttons, and of course that's David. When you visit the shop, just look for him. I'm gonna test the touch. Of course, it's all working quite well. There's a noticeable lag, but I think that's because of the custom theme, or maybe this is installed custom ROM. That's also a possibility. Look at that. You can just sell it and pass it as brand new, but we're not doing it. There's no Samsung logo at the back, it seems, but it looks nice with the new display. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something, and I hope you are inspired to repair your own devices rather than buying new. And it's gonna be a win again for David. This is gonna be a successful repair. And thanks for joining, guys. See you next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time?